Hello, my dear children. You are all familiar with many two-dimensional shapes like square, rectangle, etc. Here, I am going to talk about a few more polygons. Generally, when three or more sides form a closed shape, it will be called as a polygon. Here, I am going to show you a few regular polygons. A three-sided polygon, everybody knows that it is triangle, and here four sided. I'm showing only regular polygons. So here only the square is shown. Four-sided square, generally it will be called as a quadrilateral. Five-sided shape, pentagon. Six-sided is hexagon. Seven-sided is heptagon. Eight-sided is octagon. Nine-sided is nonagon, and 10-sided is decagon. Almost most of you might have been knowing all about this. I am going to introduce two more polygons which is new to you people. The first one which I am going to introduce is a 11-sided polygon, and it is called as hendecagon. The next one is 12-sided polygon, and it will be called as dodecagon. Till now, you saw a few known and unknown polygons, and now let's move on to 3D shapes. What is meant by 3D? It is three-dimensional. That is, three measurements will be there. In two-dimensional shape, we will have only length and breadth. But here, in 3D shape, apart from length and breadth, it may have height or thickness. Here, you are seeing a 3D object. It is nothing but a cube. Just if you look at each side, every side will be in the form of a square. Now, let me explain the parts of a cube. Here, we are seeing many points. Do you know what points are these? Marked as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These points are the vertices of the cube. Vertices is the plural form of vertex. Here we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These points are the vertices of the cube. Do you know what is meant by vertex? Vertex is the common end point of two or more line segments. So here when the length, breadth and height of the cube meet together, we will get a vertex. Let us see how many vertices are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices are there. Next, we are going to see how many edges are there. Edges is nothing but when two faces. This is one face. Actually, we have 6 faces in a cube. Front, back, left, right, up and down. Totally 6 faces are there in a cube. When two faces are meeting each other, we will be getting the edge. Now I am going to show you how many edges are there in this cube. This is first edge, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th. So we have 12 edges. So there are 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges are there in a cube. Thank you, children.